there, this is Tina from ohsnapletsEat.com. Today I'm going to show you how we make broccoli chicken stir fry. It's basically marinated chicken pieces stir-fried with crunchy broccoli along with some tasty sauce, and it's so easy to make too. Here's what you'll need. We will be marinating the chicken, so for the marinade you will need 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken thigh, cut into about 1/2-inch pieces, 2 teaspoons of honey, 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Then for the rest of the stir fry you will need 4 cloves of garlic, roughly chopped, 1/4 cup of chicken broth or water if you don't have any, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, separated, 1 crown of broccoli cut into florets, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and salt to taste. Now let's cook. In a small bowl, combine chicken with honey, sesame oil, soy sauce, and cornstarch and allow it to marinate for about half an hour or up to overnight. Heat a tablespoon of cooking oil over medium-high heat and add chicken and garlic. Stir fry the chicken and the garlic for about 5 minutes or until the chicken is mostly browned, and then remove from heat and set aside for now. Back in the same cooking pan you just used, add another tablespoon of oil and then add the broccoli. Add the chicken broth or water if you don't have any chicken broth, and allow it to cook covered for about a minute. Then uncover and stir fry for about 2 more minutes or really until the broccoli is as tender as you prefer. Add the chicken back into the cooking pan, stir fry everything to mix well, and then add oyster sauce and sesame oil. Now stir fry everything together until the chicken is cooked thoroughly and everything is basically mixed evenly. Then remove from heat and serve. And that is how you make broccoli chicken stir fry. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious Asian recipes.